quiet of the night, shadows dance alone. Whispers of the past echo in a broken home. Every heartache tells a story left untold, fragments of a love that once burned bright and bold. Through the tears we learn to rise, picking up the pieces, reaching for the skies. Life in pieces, scattered on the floor, each scar a memory, each cut a little sore. Yet in this chaos we find our way to heal. Through every heartbreak, love is what we feel. In the light of dawn we chase the fading dreams, searching for the hope that flows like silver streams. Every scar a testament to battles fought and won. In this tapestry of life, we are never truly done. With every loss there's something gained, a deeper understanding of joy and pain. Voices rise in harmony, echoing our fight. Together we stand strong against the fading light. In this symphony of life we'll mend what's torn apart, finding strength in unity and hope within our hearts.